Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss Game 5 results between Indiana Pacers and the Oklahoma City Thunder and the NBA Finals. Jalen Williams scored 40 points and the Thunder win 120-109 for a 3-2 NBA Finals lead over the Indiana Pacers. Oklahoma City Thunder outscored Indiana 59-45 in the first half. Game 5 was starting to look like Game 1 all over again. OKC at home takes a huge lead. Indiana comes roaring back in the fourth quarter. Indiana won that one. But this time, the Thunder crafted a different ending and a 3-2 lead in the NBA Finals was their reward. Jalen Williams scored his playoff career high and the Thunder moved one win from a title by beating the Indiana Pacers 120-109. It was the 10th and by far the biggest time the Thunder Stars combined for more than 70 points in the game. Game 5 of an NBA Finals that was tied at 2-2 have gone to win the series 23 times in 31 previous opportunities or 74%. And teams with a 3-2 lead in the finals have won 40 times in previous opportunities or 82%. But Game 5 was not easy. Far from it, down by 18 late in the second quarter, the Pacers, the comeback king of these playoffs, did what they do, chipping away. And they did it with Tyrese Haliburton reduced to basically playing a decoy on offense because of a leg issue that he aggravated in the first quarter. Jalen Williams scored a career playoff high 40 points with 6 rebounds, 4 assists on 14 of 25 shooting from the field, including 3 of 5 from beyond the arc and 9 of 12 from the free throw line in 35 minutes of playing time. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander added 32 points with 2 rebounds, 10 assists, 2 steals, and 4 blocks on 9 of 21 shooting from the field, 0 of 3 from beyond the arc, and 13 of 14 from the free throw line in 38 minutes of playing time. Aaron Wiggins led Oklahoma City's bench with 14 points, 5 rebounds, 1 block on 4 of 10 shooting from the field, including 4 of 7 from beyond the arc, and a perfect 2 of 2 from the free throw line in 22 minutes of playing time. Pascal Siakam led Indiana with 28.6 rebounds, 5 assists, 3 steals, 2 blocks on 9 of 15 field goal, 3 of 6 from beyond the arc, and 7 of 8 from the free throw line in 33 minutes of playing time. Tyrese Haliburton was limited to 4 points with 7 rebounds, 6 assists in 34 minutes of playing time. All his points came from the free throw line. He only attempted 6 shots and missed all of them. He didn't score any points in the first half. While TJ McConnell led Indiana's bench with 16 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals on 8 of 14 field goal, 1 of 2 from beyond the arc, and 2 of 4 from the free throw line in 22 minutes of playing time. While Aaron Nesmith contributed 14.6 rebounds on 5 of 9 field goal, 4 of 5 from beyond the arc on 22 minutes of playing time. Oklahoma City Thunder shot 40 of 94 from the field, or 42.6%, 14 of 36 from beyond the arc, or 43.8%, and 26 of 32, or 81.3% in the free throw line. They had a total of 45 rebounds, 24 assists, with 12 blocks, 15 steals, that is plus 6, and 11 turnovers. On the other hand, Indiana Pacers shot 37 of 82 from the field, or 45.1%, 11 of 30 from beyond the arc, or 36.7%, and 24 of 30 from the free throw line, or 80%. They had a total of 50 rebounds, that is plus 5, 23 assists, 4 blocks, 9 steals, and 22 turnovers compared to OKC with only 11. Led by TJ McConnell, who scored 13 points in just under 7 minutes of the third, the Pacers got within 5 late in that quarter. Then Shakam went to work, a pair of free throws with 9 minutes and 19 seconds left got Indiana within 4, then a three-pointer about a minute later, and made it 95-93. The next NBA Finals game will be played on June 20, 2025. Tyrese Haliburton and the Indiana Pacers have a chance to even the series at home. It's a do-or-die game for them, while Shai Gilgeous-Alexander and the Oklahoma City Thunder will try to pull out a win and steal the championship trophy in front of the Indiana's crowd. Game 6 will be played in Gainbridge Fieldhouse at 8:30 a.m. Philippine Time or 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Oklahoma City leads the series 3-2. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to help our channel grow. Thank you so much everyone. See you in the next video.